Speedtech International Inc. is the manufacturer of SPEEDWRAP brand hook and loop products, a custom manufacturer of specialty fasteners, and an authorized distributor of VELCRO brand products. We're here to be a trusted, simple solution for distributors and manufacturers, leveraging our manufacturing and category expertise for the benefit of product managers, buyers, engineers, and end users. With a focus on quality, domestic manufacturing, superior customer service, and category expertise, our goal is to provide just the right solution that our customers are looking for. Starting in 1994, Speedtech began fabricating fasteners out of a newly patented material called VELCRO Brand 1 Wrap. To this day, we're considered pioneers of fabricating from hook and loop. We quickly expanded our offering to include innovative fastening solutions for cord and cable management, organization, securing loose objects, and wire identification. And with the acquisition of TFI Custom Fabrication, we've added 30 years of custom fabrication and sewing expertise. In 2020, and in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, we became the choice of some of the largest PPE manufacturers because of Speedtech's hook and loop material expertise, custom manufacturing, raw material inventory, US manufacturing, ISO certification, and high-quality standards. Today we serve some of the largest OEMs, the electrical construction, transportation, medical, recreation, and pro audio and video markets. And our SPEEDWRAP line of fasteners are sold by leading industrial distributors, including Fastenal Company, with 3,000 branches and in-factory locations across 26 countries. To better serve customers in the US, Mexico, and Canada, we are proud to manufacture in both Racine, Wisconsin, and Chula Vista, California. With ISO certification at the core of our processes, we manufacture fastening solutions from hook and loop, webbing, foam laminates, and other textiles. We offer Berry-compliant, UL-certified, and REACH-compliant fasteners. Our capabilities include die cutting, slitting, sewing, and welding, and while other suppliers offer some of those services, we have entire factory lines dedicated to those production techniques. This experience is important, whether we're fabricating a cable management solution in support of a network's performance, or we're manufacturing a custom solution that will be used in support of critical patient care. We've also earned a reputation as the highest quality printers of hook and loop, including VELCRO brand 1 Wrap material. But what truly sets us apart from the competition is the Speedtech customer experience. With a focus on breadth of products, superior customer service, and category expertise, we offer our customers the solutions they're looking for. In all cases, we pride ourselves in being an easier way to find the best product, solution, or source. Customers have enough on their plates. That's why Speedtech is in business, to make it easy for customers to find the product, service, fast delivery, and support they need so they can solve their fastener needs. To find the correct fastener solution for your application, contact Speedtech, or to learn about becoming an authorized distributor of SPEEDWRAP brand fasteners, contact us today.